Welcome back. Today I have something that I have made this before. I made it before I decided to film it for you, but it's a Keto Bang Bang Sauce. I had never heard of Bang Bang Sauce, but there's this one restaurant we go to all the time because they will accommodate our special diet. We're known as the carnivores, but they have these bang bang shrimp, bang bang chicken, and I'm like, so I asked, well, what is this bang bang sauce? Is it sweet? And she says, yes, it's sweet. And I'm like, okay, I don't want it. And then in one of our Zoom meetings for our PSMF, Precision PSMF course, we have weekly Zoom meetings so that everybody can keep on track and be successful. And one of them, somebody said on her off day, she had bang bang sauce. And I'm like, I have to look up this bang bang sauce because I have no clue what it is. So I tried it one time and it's like, well, this is good. All right. Maybe people would like it. So this is a keto bang bang sauce that I'm going to serve today with chicken and shrimp. So to start off, we have 120 grams of mayonnaise, which is about a half a cup. As you all know, I prefer to weigh my ingredients, and then I know that it's going to be the same every time I make it. And to that, we have 60 grams of chili garlic sauce, which is about a quarter of a cup. This is the chili garlic sauce I buy. There's no sugar in it. It's great for PSMF days, and I love it because I love hot, spicy food. So 60 grams of that. Well, it's 59 grams. I'm going to stop there. To that, we add 2 teaspoons of sriracha or any hot sauce. This is hot sauce that I made. It's a fermented hot sauce that I made with jalapenos from our garden. I cannot wait until I have some more jalapenos. So I can make some more of this. It takes about 3 to 4 months to ferment it. And we have 4 or 5 jalapeno plants that we planted this year. So I cannot wait until we get more jalapenos. And 2 teaspoons of that. I'm just going to ballpark it. This is very hot. Carl has a hard time with this because it's so hot. Me, I love it. And then a teaspoon of lemon juice. And since Bang Bang sauce is sweet, I will put in better stevia glycerite, which is a liquid, just a few drops. And there's also liquid monk fruit that we get on Wellevate that is 100% monk fruit. There's no erythritol in it. As you might remember, we cannot tolerate any erythritol. So there is some 100% monk fruit on Wellevate that we get. So I'm just going to do a few drops because I don't like really sweet things. Now I'm going to mix that all up. And it has been mentioned in some of the comments that I love using my spoons, and they said, you know, the spoons on a metal dish sound awful. So I'm like, all right, see, I listen, people. Spatula. So how I'm going to serve this is sometimes it's just poured, you have your plate of chicken or shrimp and you pour it over. Since I don't really like a lot of sauces, I'm just going to put it into a dish because I've also seen it that you can dip it. So I'm going to be dipping mine today. So I'm going to pour some into this dish and I'll be back in a minute to show you how I'm going to serve it. So this is how I'm going to serve it. I have chicken here and shrimp here. What I did with the chicken, I was going to buy chicken tenders and fry them up, but they were $1.50 more a pound than chicken breasts. And I'm like, I can cut up the chicken breast myself. So this morning I cut the chicken breast up into strips and fried it. It's fried in bacon grease with just salt and pepper. And I'm going to taste the Bang Bang sauce. Now I'm going to try it with the shrimp. Oh, that is so good. Keto Bang Bang Sauce with chicken strips and shrimp. Mmm.